Chimpanzees, scientifically known as pan-troglodytes, are one of the most intelligent and socially complex species of primates on the planet. Sharing approximately 98% of their genetic material with humans, they are our closest living relatives, a fact that has fascinated researchers, conservationists, and the general public alike for centuries. These remarkable creatures inhabit the tropical forests and savannas of West and Central Africa, where they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Chimpanzees are not only celebrated for their cognitive abilities but also for their intricate social structures, problem-solving skills, and the emotional depth that they exhibit. These traits have led to them being widely studied in the fields of anthropology, psychology, and evolutionary biology, offering profound insights into the evolutionary history of humankind. The chimpanzee is a member of the great ape family, which also includes gorillas, orangutans, and bonobos. Unlike many other primates, chimpanzees are highly versatile in their habitats. They can adapt to a wide range of environmental conditions, from the dense rainforests to more open woodland areas. Their adaptability is not only reflected in their physical environment but also in their diet and behaviors. Chimpanzees are omnivores, meaning they eat a varied diet that includes fruits, nuts, seeds, insects, and occasionally meat. They are particularly known for their use of tools, something that was once considered uniquely human. For example, chimpanzees have been observed using sticks to fish for termites or honey, stones to crack open nuts, and leaves to soak up water. This use of tools demonstrates not only their intelligence but also their ability to innovate and adapt their behaviors to meet their needs. Chimpanzees are social animals, living in groups called communities. These communities can range in size from just a few individuals to over 100 members, and they are typically led by a dominant male, often referred to as the alpha male. The social structure of chimpanzees is complex, characterized by hierarchies that are maintained through a combination of aggression, cooperation, and social bonds. Male chimpanzees generally vie for dominance within the group, and the alpha male has access to the best food sources and mates, but leadership is not necessarily permanent, and challengers may rise to the top if they can garner the support of other group members. Interestingly, females also have a significant role in the community. While their status is typically lower than that of the males, females form strong bonds with other females and can exert considerable influence within the group, particularly when it comes to decision-making and group dynamics. These social relationships are essential to the cohesion and survival of the group. Chimpanzees' social behaviors are deeply rooted in their emotional intelligence. Research has shown that they are capable of experiencing a wide range of emotions, from joy and affection to grief and anger. They form close, lasting bonds with their family members, particularly mothers, and their offspring. A mother will care for her baby chimpanzee for several years, nurturing it, teaching it vital survival skills, and providing emotional support. The bond between mother and child is incredibly strong, and chimpanzees have been observed to display behaviors that suggest a deep sense of attachment and love. Chimpanzees have also been seen mourning the death of loved ones, exhibiting behaviors such as staying close to the deceased, refusing to eat, and even carrying the body for a period of time. This emotional depth, along with their complex social interactions, has led some scientists to suggest that chimpanzees are capable of empathy, a trait once thought to be uniquely human. Communication among chimpanzees is another fascinating aspect of their social behavior. They communicate through a combination of vocalizations, facial expressions, body language, and gestures. Some of their most common vocalizations include hoots, grunts, screams, and pant hoots, each of which can convey a different message depending on the context. For instance, a chimpanzee might use a loud pant hoot to signal excitement or to call others to a food source. Facial expressions play an important role in chimpanzee communication as well. A chimpanzee might bare its teeth in a display of aggression or show a relaxed expression to indicate calmness and trust. In addition to these vocal and facial cues, chimpanzees are highly expressive in their body language. They use gestures to communicate intentions and desires, such as extending their hand to ask for food or tapping a potential partner to initiate grooming. Grooming is an essential activity in chimpanzee social life. It not only serves to maintain hygiene by removing parasites and dirt from their fur, but it also plays a significant role in building and maintaining social bonds. Chimpanzees often spend hours a day grooming each other, which helps to reinforce relationships and resolve tensions within the group. Grooming is also a way to show affection and solidarity, and it is often seen between individuals who share close bonds, such as between a mother and her child or between adult males who form alliances. These grooming sessions are not just about cleaning, they are integral to the social fabric of chimpanzee communities and serve as a way to strengthen alliances and reduce conflict. The intelligence of chimpanzees is another defining feature of the species. Their cognitive abilities have been studied in a variety of settings, including laboratory experiments and field studies. Chimpanzees have been shown to possess advanced problem-solving skills, the ability to plan ahead, and an understanding of cause and effect. They have demonstrated an ability to use tools in innovative ways and to learn by observing others. Some chimpanzees have been taught sign language or symbols to communicate with humans, and they have demonstrated an ability to understand abstract concepts such as shapes, colors, and numbers. This level of intelligence has led to a deeper understanding of the evolutionary development of cognition, as chimpanzees provide valuable insights into the mental capabilities of early humans. Additionally, chimpanzees' ability to understand and manipulate their environment suggests a level of intelligence that rivals that of other highly intelligent species, such as dolphins and elephants. Chimpanzees also exhibit impressive memory skills. Studies have shown that they have the ability to remember specific events and locations, often for long periods of time. They can recognize individuals, remember where food sources are located, and even recall past social interactions. Their memory capabilities are essential for survival, allowing them to navigate their territories, form social connections, and avoid potential threats. In some studies, chimpanzees have been observed to demonstrate exceptional memory skills, such as remembering the locations of hidden food items or recalling sequences of events over extended periods of time. The conservation of chimpanzees is an ongoing concern due to habitat loss, poaching, and the illegal wildlife trade. Chimpanzees are listed as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, with populations in the wild declining steadily over the past several decades. Habitat destruction, primarily due to deforestation for agriculture and logging, has been a significant factor in the decline of chimpanzee populations. As their natural habitats shrink, chimpanzees are forced into closer proximity to human settlements, where they are often hunted for bush meat or captured for the pet trade. Conservation efforts are underway to protect chimpanzee populations, including the establishment of protected areas, anti-poaching measures, and the promotion of sustainable land use practices. In addition, there are ongoing efforts to raise awareness about the importance of chimpanzee conservation and the threats they face in the wild. Chimpanzees also face a variety of health challenges, including diseases that can be transmitted between humans and other primates. In recent years, the spread of diseases such as Ebola and the threat of habitat fragmentation have posed significant risks to chimpanzee populations. Efforts to protect chimpanzees also involve monitoring their health and addressing the risk of disease transmission, as well as working to limit human-wildlife conflict. Chimpanzees have been a source of fascination for scientists, conservationists, and the general public for centuries. Their intelligence, emotional depth, and social complexity have led to a deeper understanding of human evolution and the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. While they are undoubtedly one of the most charismatic and well-known species of the animal kingdom, chimpanzees are also among the most endangered. Their future, like that of many other species, depends on the efforts of humans to protect their natural habitats, reduce human-wildlife conflict, and ensure that future generations of chimpanzees can continue to thrive in the wild. In conclusion, chimpanzees are not only one of the most intelligent and socially complex species on the planet but also one of the most endangered. Their cognitive abilities, emotional depth, and social behaviors make them a key species for understanding human evolution, animal behavior, and the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. However, their survival is increasingly threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and disease. Continued efforts to conserve and protect chimpanzee populations are essential, not only for the survival of this remarkable species but also for the preservation of biodiversity and the health of ecosystems. By studying and protecting chimpanzees, we gain valuable insights into the evolution of intelligence and social behavior, and we take important steps toward ensuring a sustainable future for both humans and animals.